This is how to change your WhatsApp profile picture. Welcome to Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Do check out our playlist for a diverse range of interesting subjects. Right away, let's go straight into our video. Click on the WhatsApp icon on your desktop and then go to more options and then click on settings and then click on your profile and then click on the camera icon. You will see three options: camera, gallery, and avatar, where the avatar allows you to use an avatar, but the camera allows you to take a live photograph. But we are going to go into the gallery to select our preferred picture. You can hit the more options button at the top of the screen to go directly into your phone's gallery, like we have here. And then if you have your images organized into an album, then you can select the picture you want from your organized album, or you can just go down to your photos and select the picture that you want. So we are going to select one of these and then we are going to adjust it to fit the frame the way we want it to look. And then we are going to click done. And there you can see that the profile photo has been updated. If you click the back button, you can see that we've accomplished our mission. And there you have it. This is Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to share the love and have a beautiful day.